Hello, my name is Soham. I'm working in a company called Text at this point of time, and I'm inside KubeCon 2024. These people actually helped me to prepare and pass the CKA in my first attempt. So that's why I came to you and said thank you for all the help and support and for the incredible courses that you have been doing over the last several years. Like, I'm really thankful and grateful for your content. I think I'm using KodeKloud for more than 3 years, like as a paying customer, subscriber for more than 3 years at this point, yeah. So I am actually getting to do the course on CKS, and so that's the next step for me. KodeKloud is the learning platform for Kubernetes. Absolutely, all the time, yes.